In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the error inside of GeForce where you get the error message saying the installation cannot continue. Now let's jump straight into it, as this is a nice and quick one to fix. The first method we're going to try is updating our graphic drivers, and you can do this by heading over to your Start menu, and you need to search for Device Manager, and then just head over to the Device Manager panel. From this list, come down to Display Adapters and expand this, and you just need to locate your graphics card inside of here. Now I've got two graphics cards installed onto my computer, but I'm using this AMD one at the top here. So we're going to right click on our graphics card and select Update Driver, and you need to press Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then once again just select your graphics card from this list. Click on Next, and then this is going to install the latest drivers to our device. So once you're fully up to date with your drivers, we can then close out of these windows. And the next thing you need to do is head over to your File Explorer, and from the left come down to your C drive. Inside of the C drive, then come over to this View option over here. Inside of Show, make sure Hidden Items is ticked over here, and then we can come down inside of this folder, and you should see something called Program Data, and we need to come inside of this folder. Scroll all the way down till you find a folder called NVIDIA Corporation and come inside of here. Inside of the Downloader folder, and inside of here you should see a folder or two with a bunch of numbers and letters. So just simply come inside one of these folders, and then we need to load up the GeForce application. And once you're inside of GeForce, come over to Drivers, and next to this Game Ready driver here, we'll see a version number. So my version number is 560.70. So now if I come back over to this folder, you'll see the application inside of here starts with that same version number, 560.70. Now if you don't have this file that matches your GeForce number here inside of here, then you can try coming back one folder and perhaps trying in the other folder with a bunch of numbers if you do have one. But for me, my file's inside of here. So we're just going to double click on this driver, and then you'll need to follow the steps on screen to install this to your computer. So we can just press OK, and then you'll need to give this a few seconds to complete. And once that's finished downloading, that would have installed the latest driver onto your computer and should have fixed any error messages you were experiencing. Now, if you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.